forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tax Bandits makes filling Form 940 easy. Here is how easy it is to e-file Form 940 with taxbandits.com. Log in or create a Tax Bandits account from your dashboard, click Start New Form, and select 940 from the drop-down menu. Start by entering the employer's details. You can select them from your address book or enter them manually. Then click Save and Continue when finished. Now choose the appropriate tax year. Now on the form in Part 1, enter a value if the statement applies to you. In Part 2, enter the values to calculate your FUTA tax before adjustments. Use Part 3 to determine your adjustments. Don't enter value if it does not apply to you. Use Part 4 to calculate your FUTA tax and balance the or overpayment. Click Save and Continue when finished. Part 5 to report your FUTA tax liability by quarter only if line 12 is more than $500. If not, go to Part 6. In Part 6, please indicate if there is a third-party design for the business. In Part 7, just enter your name, your title, and your best date time phone number. The e-signature process will take place later. Then click Update and Continue. Now choose your payments method. Available options include EFW, EFTFC credit card, and check in money order. You'll now see a form summary. Make sure everything is correct and click Continue. Now the system will check your return for common errors. When no errors are found, click Continue. You can now request or add the signature. When the signature has been added, click Next. You're almost done. Just choose any additional services like tax notifications or printed copies and click Continue. Now simply choose a credit card or enter a new one to pay your filing fee. Then check over your return and click the green button to pay and transmit your return to IRS. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.